Are you looking to generate AI influencers like these? Well, in this video, I will show you exactly how you can do it step by step. So let's get started. First of all, we need a sample video to start with. Make sure you have the full permission to use it. Now, you need to search for video to frames on Google and visit the following website. You can use any other tool which offers video to frame conversion. Now you need to upload the video here. You can upload directly or use video URL. Once you upload the video, keep the settings as is and click extract. It will take some time before extracting all frames. We just need to download the first frame. Once you download the frame, open chatgpt.com and sign up for free account. Now upload the first frame and write the following prompt. I will provide in the video description. You can edit it as you want to. Now our AI influencer is ready. You need to download this image. Now again open Google and search for Roboneo and open it. Here you need to sign up for free account. I have already signed up. It gave me some free credits. You can use them, and if you like to get more credits, you can invite friends by giving them your code. Now click new project. Here click workflow. Click the plus icon. Then select the following option. Under video creation, click motion control. Now on this screen, you need to add some text, then image, and finally video. First, click the plus icon under image to choose your influencer image. Then under video, select the sample video. And finally, in text box, you can say apply the motion from the reference video to this image. So you can use any video and replicate the motion. Once done, you can choose the model. I'm choosing 2.6, so I use less credits. Finally, click run. It will take some time before generating the video. Once the video is ready, you can download it. Here is our video. So that's it. That's how you can generate AI influencers and use them on social media. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more.